Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Lizza, and today I'm going to show you how to achieve the two strands twist using the person's natural hair and how to make them come out fluffy, to make them puff. You get the point. So if you're new to this channel and you haven't subscribed yet, please just take a moment and click that subscribe button, because here we give out everything, all the information of what you actually do not know. And by the way, let me know in the comments section, what do you call this from your country? Some people call them twist outs. I don't know if it's the actual name. Some of us call them two strands twists using the person's natural hair. So let me know in the comments section, what name do you give such twists in your country, okay? So now what I'm doing here, I want them to be as neat as possible from the scalp. So I am doing tuck outs just a little bit. I'm just going like 7-8 steps with the natural hair. So the tuck outs are not that big, okay? The reason why I've said it before, I'm doing that because I want the scalp to be as neat as possible. And if the person does not want the tuck out, then you can just go ahead and begin with the actual twist, but it won't be as neat as using this kind of method. So that is what I am doing right now. And then the products that I used for this one, actually after she washed her hair, we did not blow dry it. We just went ahead and started with the twists. So you have to work on wet hair. That is one thing you have to note down. Work on wet hair only. Do not blow dry it. And then after that, I went ahead and put a treatment there. Here I used a leave-in treatment. You can go ahead and use a protein treatment. So do whatever works for you. And it's very important, treatment is very important for your hair because it retains a lot of moisture. It repairs damaged hair. Like, there's a lot of benefits with treatment. So make sure you do that on your hair or on your client's hair before you go ahead and do the rest. So I'm still doing the tuck outs first, and I found doing the tuck outs first, then going ahead with the twist is much easier and faster compared to working on one twist then going to the other one. So you see, now I noticed after I'm done with the tuck outs there, her hair was a little bit dry. So you have to dampen it, because I'm using a curl cream. So the curl cream does not work well with dry hair. So you see I'm putting it on my hand, and the one I'm using is called Cream of Nature. You can go ahead. There are so many brands out there that you can use. So use a curling cream that works for you, and find something that is a bit thick. So that is what I can recommend. Find something that is a bit thick, so it will be much easier for you to work with. So you see I'm just using a little bit of product on the hair. I'm not using too much curling cream. So now after putting the curling cream, I go ahead and I start twisting. Now this is the tricky part, because most people do not know how to twist the hair until you get that puffy look. Most people twist the hair and you find that it's too tight, and then it's not giving that puffy look. You find that it's like, it's so much spaced out. It's not filling the head. I know you understand what I mean if you've ever tried doing this kind of twists, so you understand what I mean. So what I'm doing here, I'm not tightening the twists. I think maybe I'll slow down at some point. Then you see, when you get used to using this kind of twisting method, it's going to be much faster. So I'm just crisscrossing the hair only crisscrossing. And then I try to lock at the end so that it doesn't unravel. That's it. I'm just crisscrossing. I'm not twisting the strands individually, then crossing them. I just go ahead. You can just watch carefully. I just start crisscrossing and all that. I'm using this kind of crisscrossing method because it's much faster. If you find any kind of way you can make your work easier, then go ahead. But the tip here is to just crisscross. Do not twist the hair at all, just crisscross the strands. Okay, 2 strands, you just crisscross them. There's a point where I went a bit slower. Let's see if we get to that. Yeah, here you see what my fingers are doing. They're just handing over the hair to the other one, and so on until I get to the end. And what the thumb and the index finger they're doing, they're just holding and supporting the hair so that I go much faster, you get, and I lock. So that's pretty much it. Sorry. So if you've not understood, you can just ask in the comment section and I'll be able to guide you more on that. So see, I'm doing it slowly, just crisscrossing. It's very easy, guys. You just need to practice, you know, like watching and feeling like you've already learned, it's not going to work. So practice within only 1 or 2 strands, you'll be ready to go. Okay, so just practice and let me know from which country you're watching from. Do you have this kind of style there? Let me know in the comment section, and I read all my comments, so I'll be happy and glad to answer you. If you have any questions so far, just leave them down in the comment section. And you see I'm almost done, so I'm just going to pretty much do the same thing on the whole head, and then I will get my style. Okay, it's as simple as that, guys, as simple as that. There's no rocket science for this. So yeah, anyway, guys, I think I'm done here, so I'll just go ahead and show you the final look on how the hair just feel. The twists just were full in her head and it looks so beautiful. So, and then if the person doesn't have enough volume of hair, you might not achieve the same kind of look. So also the volume of hair really matters when it comes to trying to achieve this style. So yeah, you can work on that. Okay, so when you want to practice, try and practice on someone who has a bit of volume. Yeah, it's really gonna help you. Okay, right, guys, so see how bouncy they are. They're so bouncy, clean, neat from the scalp, you see. And that's all you need to know about this. And so here we have the final look. I'm sorry the lighting wasn't a bit nice, but I tried to like just film it anyway. It was a bit rainy outside, so yeah. But there you are, guys. This is the final look. I hope it really helped you. So let me know in the comment section, okay? And do have a lovely day. Goodbye.